Very good morning, students. Very good morning. Today we shall discuss some problems of linear equations in one variable. Here, 14th question is there. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has a currency notes of denominations 100 rupee, 50 rupee, 10 rupee respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes 2 is to 3 is to 5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupee. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Yes, this is very easy question. Let us take 100 rupee notes. How many 100 rupee notes are there? Yes, here 2 is ratio are there. 2 is to 3 is to 5 ratio का meaning क्या है? Number of 100 rupee notes. So that is 2x. You can take x. Let x be the number of notes. Okay. Here, so number of okay, number of 100 rupee notes. 100 rupee notes. How many? Yes, very good. 2x. Here, number of 50 rupee notes. 50 rupee notes. How many? 3x. Very good. 3x. Number of 10 rupee notes. 10 rupee notes. Yes. कितना? 5x. How many? 5x. You can take one tabular form, that is very easy method is there. Then here you can take value. Value means 100 rupee, 50 rupee, 10 rupee. Okay. Number of notes. Number of notes. 10 रुपये की 100 रुपये क्या है? 2x. दिस इज क्या है? 3x. दिस इज क्या है? 5x. तो टोटल मनी फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका पास है 200 रुपये नोट्स है. 200 रुपये नोट्स है. हाउ मच वैल्यू? यस, हाउ मच वैल्यू? 200 रुपये. 200 रुपये नोट्स. सो 2 इंटू 100. सो मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो 100 इंटू 2x क्या है? 200x. 50 इंटू 3x क्या है? 150x. 10 इंटू 5x क्या है? 50x. Are understand or not? Okay. Here, according to question, total money she has 4 lakh. Total money is equals to total money कितना? 4 lakh rupee. Total money here, total money 200x. Very good. 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equals to 4 lakh rupee. Understand or not? 200x plus 150x plus 50x. So 400x is equals to 4 lakh rupee. Now, how can you solve this? X is equals to 4 lakh by 400. 4 lakh by 400. 4 lakh by 400 is equals to 1000 rupee. Sorry, 1000 notes. 1000 आ गए. Are understand or not? Yes. Now here number of 100 rupee notes. 100 rupee notes. How many? Number of 100 rupee notes 2x. So 2x. X value कितना है? 1000. 1000 into 2. Yes, 2000. 2000. Number of 50 rupee notes. How many? बताइए. How many? 3x. 3 into 1000. 3000. Number of 10 rupee notes. 10 rupee notes. How many? 5x. 5x. 5 into 1000. 5000. Are understand or not? This is okay. Next question. Next 15th question. वेरी सिंपल, यस सर नो। नेक्स्ट 15th क्वेश्चन देख लीजिए। 15th वन क्या है? आई हैव ए टोटल ऑफ 300 rupee in coins of denominations 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. Okay, the number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? Okay, easy. Coins, सेम प्रॉब्लम इज देयर। उधर क्या है? 100 रुपी, 50 रुपी, 10 रुपी। उधर क्या है? 1 रुपी, 2 रुपी, 5 रुपी। इतना है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है। ओके, लेट इट बी टेक हियर टोटल पॉइंट्स। हाउ मेनी टोटल पॉइंट्स given total points 160. Okay, number of coins x. So number of 2 rupee coins, for example, number of 5 rupee coins. First 5 rupee coins, number of 5 rupee coins x. So number of 2 rupee coins, how many? Number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. 5 rupee coins क्या है? x. ये क्या है? x. Yes or no? This is x. 5 rupee coins x. So number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times of x. So 3x. Are understand or not? 5 rupee coins x. Number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times of x. So 3x. Are understand? Now here number of 1 rupee coins. टोटल कॉइन्स कितना है? वेरी गुड, आपका पास 20 कॉइन्स है। ओके, 5 रुपी कॉइन्स 10 है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 रुपी कॉइन्स 10। ओके, 2 रुपी कॉइन्स 5, 1 रुपी कॉइन्स कितना है? 5। वेरी गुड। हाउ? 20 minus 10 minus 5. ओके, 20 minus 10 minus 5, दैट इज 5 आ गया। हियर क्या है? टोटल माइनस क्या सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा? 5 रुपी कॉइन्स एंड 2 रुपी कॉइन्स। सो x plus 3x. सो योर आंसर क्या है? 160 minus 4x. Understand or not? Here you can take one tabular form, easy. Okay, now here coin value. Okay, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. Okay, next one, number of coins. 5 rupee coins कितना है? x. 2 rupee coins कितना है? 3x. 1 rupee coin कितना है? 160 minus 4x. Are understand or not? Yes. Now total money, how can you calculate? Multiply करना पड़ेगा। 5 into x 5x, 2 into 3x 6x. Yes or no? 1 into 160 minus 160 minus 4x. Okay, according to question total money is equals to how much? 300 rupee. Okay, total money क्या है? 5x. Very good, 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equals to 300. Okay, 5x plus 6x, 11x minus 4x 7x. Okay, plus 160 is equals to 300. 7x is equals to 300 minus 160. Okay, 7x. So 7x is equals to 300 minus 160, 140. X is equals to 140 by 7. So 20. So x is equals to क्या है 20. Now here number of 5 rupee coins. 5 rupee coins. Number of 5 rupee coins क्या है x. So x is equals to क्या है 20. Number of 2 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins. How many? 3x. How many? 3x. So 3 into 20, 60. Okay. 3 into 20. Yes or no? Now number of 1 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins. How many? 160 minus 4x. X क्या है 20. 20 into 4 80. 160 minus 80. 160 minus 80 is equals to 80. Understand or not? Just you can check your answer right or wrong. Yes, number of 5 rupee coins कितना है 20. 5 rupee coins 20. So how much you have? 20 into 5 100. 60 into 2 120. 100 into 120. Sorry, 100 into 100 plus 120 220. 220 plus 80 300. So your answer is correct. Are understand or not? Yes, very good. Next 16th question. सिक्सटीन्थ क्वेश्चन क्या है The organizers of an essay competition the organizers of an essay competition very important question essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 rupee and a participant who does not win who does not win gets a prize of 25 rupee. Okay, the total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners. If the total number of participants is 63, if the total number of participants is 63. Understand the question? Yes, easy. For example, हमारा पास पार्टिसिपेंट्स कितना है 50, विनर्स कितना है 10, लूजर्स कितना है 40. क्या करना पड़ेगा 50 से 10 निकालना पड़ेगा, सो 40 आएगा. इधर क्या है नंबर ऑफ हियर नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स कितना है 63. yes 63. here you can take number of number of winners you can take number of winners is equals to x. Number of losers, very good, number of losers, so 63 minus x। सिंपल है ना। 63 से x निकालना तो ऑटोमेटिकली लूजर आएगा। ठीक है, नाउ हियर you can take one diagram, very simple diagram. Okay, here क्या है, winner और loser, winner loser, ठीक है। ओके, पर्सन, number of participants here x, winners क्या है x, winners x, here losers क्या है 63 minus x। फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्राइज मनी क्या है, प्राइज मनी क्या है, विनर्स का 100 रुपी, लूजर का 25 रुपी। ओके, 100, विनर का क्या है 100, लूजर का क्या है 25 रुपी। और अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, टोटल मनी, टोटल प्राइज मनी, सो x इंटू 100, 100x, हियर क्या है 25 in bracket 63 minus x। अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, मल्टीप्लाई करो x into 100। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 winners है, हाउ मच मनी 2 into 100 200, so 100 into x 100x, 25 in bracket 63 minus x। here according to question okay, total prize money is equals to कितना 3000 रुपी। यस सर नो, टोटल प्राइज मनी 3000 रुपी। ओके, टोटल प्राइज मनी इधर क्या है 100x प्लस 25 इंटू 63 माइनस x इज इक्वल्स टू 3000। ओके, 100x प्लस 25 इंटू 63 कितना है 1575, 1575 माइनस 25x is equals to 3000, so 100 minus x, 100x minus 25x 75x is equals to 3000 minus बताइए 1575, so 75x is equals to 1425। okay, so x is equals to 1425 by 75, x is equals to कितना 70, so 19। okay, 19 winners, so number of winners is equals to 19, number of winners is equals to 19। or understand or not? okay, how much you get 19 winners, so 19 into 100 1900, so it's okay, but number of उसको क्या चाहिए, नंबर ऑफ विनर चाहिए। क्यों, आंसर क्या है 19 विनर्स।